In the beginning, let's go to Settings from my menu of the game and find Game Settings. In Gameplay, find Shot Assistance and select between Assisted, Precision and Manual. In Assisted, shot direction will be assisted to ensure the player always aims towards the goal. In Precision, the shot direction will be partially assisted. Aiming at the goal results in more accurate shots and faster ball speeds. In Manual, direction you aim is the direction the shot travels. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.